everyone, welcome back. So you may notice there's no videos on my channel. Well, I'll be renaming my channel name Dark Mains. If you're wondering why, I have been on a new club for a while called Dark Mains. Dark Mains is a dressage club where the owner is Georgia Emberfeather. She's a real nice girl. She doesn't allow anyone into the club, and I decided to take part of the Dark Mains Dressage channel trailer will be coming soon. So yeah, and welcome to the Dark Mains channel. And now, see you later in more dressage, rules, and even bloopers with the club. Bye!